Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram when it is not working on your phone or device. First, check your internet connection. Telegram needs a stable internet connection to work. If you are using Wi-Fi, turn it off and turn it back on. If you are using mobile data, disable it for a few seconds and enable it again. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. Next, close the Telegram app completely. If Telegram is still not working, check for updates. Open the App Store or Play Store and search for Telegram. If an update is available, install it. Also, check for a system update on your phone because an outdated system can cause apps to stop working correctly. Another helpful step is clearing the app cache. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, find Telegram, open Storage, and tap Clear Cache. This will not delete your chats. If the problem continues, try reinstalling Telegram. Before you do this, make sure you remember your phone number and can receive SMS or calls. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, then install Telegram again from the official App Store and sign in. Finally, keep in mind that Telegram may be blocked or restricted in some countries or regions. You can check it on Google if it is blocked in your region. Thanks for watching.